Alright, welcome back to the channel. Well, in this video we're going to go racing with a bunch of buddies and take you along with us to Vancouver Island Motorsports circuit right here on the hat. And it's just that, it's on an island, so to get there we need to take a boat. So I packed all my stuff.
Tarp, torque wrench, fluids, jack stands, tent.
And we headed to the ferry terminal. Up the ramp we go. And on to the ferry. And at the hotel, we all got our spot to park. And here you can see the entire crew ready for tomorrow's track day. And here we are at the track, all unpacked and ready to see what VIMC brings. An amazing facility. Here's a bit of an overview, and here's sitting in the clubhouse taking a look at the track, and look at all that elevation change in all those corners. It's like a huge autocross. That's bastard. Here's an overview of the track. And with that, it was time to finally head out on track and do some laps. And if you've ever wondered where all that rubber that comes off your tires go, well, it pretty much tries to go right back on. And the event wasn't without a little mishap, but no worries, the Porsche did get home just fine. And at the end of the day, when we left the track, we found a real nice spot to park the cars, catch some rays, catch a beautiful view, and reflect on the day. What an amazing day, and we can't wait to return to VIMC. Alright, well, thanks for watching this little video of this road trip me and my buddies just recently took. If you're ever on Vancouver Island in British Columbia, Canada, and you want to do racing, I highly recommend VIMC. It's a wicked, wicked track. And that being said, I gotta get my butt in gear on the S10. Take care, go do some racing. See you in the next video. Bye for now.